Today I'm going to show you how to use Audible Stories. So some of you might be familiar with Audible. It's a paid monthly account that you get through Amazon. Audible has released some of their titles for free under Audible Stories. So Audible is audiobooks. You can't read the books, but you can listen to them. So what you want to do is search for Audible Stories. You can see right here. And then you see it says free audiobooks for kids. So that's where you need to go. Once you're there, you can see there's all kinds of different titles. One thing I'm excited about is they have all of the Harry Potter books. But we want to go to elementary because that's our age. There are some in Spanish as well. So let's click on elementary. And then you can see these are all titles that you can listen to on the computer. You do need to be connected to Wi-Fi the whole time. You're not able to download them. So let's say I want to read this, The Terrible Two, which is a really good chapter book. All we have to do is click on the title and then click on Start Listening.
This is Audible.
It'll open it up and you can play the whole title. If I click down here on chapters, like if you finished off somewhere, then you can click right on the chapter you want to go to and listen to the whole story on your computer. To go back, you just hit the arrow and then you can pick another title to listen to.